Okay? Alright, so we're here. Look at this couch. Yes, there's our feet. Look at that.
And we're gonna surf. We're gonna sofa.
Okay.
Sofa surf.
So we can surf like this.
Like, who the hell would do this except us?
We are just like so amazing.
Sofa surfing.
We should make our own iCarly show or like
we should.
Sam and Air.
Everybody would watch that.
Like, it's just the best.
Everybody would be like, yes, Sammy and Erica.
So, if you guys like get this, it's gonna be like our first of many shows.
Lots.
And I think I might make one at school, but we're gonna have to hide it from the teachers.
Yeah.
Sorry, teachers, if you see this. Okay. So we're surfing. We're surfing. Look at us. Oh no, now I'm a monkey. There we are. Oh yeah. Oh, look at you. Oh, whoa. Okay, now we're gonna do this horrible stunt. I mean, it could risk our lives. We are gonna jump
get really hurt
down this huge couch right here. Oh, I almost fell. Okay,
that was not good.
So this was okay. We're frightened of our lives.
I'm so scared.
Oh my god. Okay, so yeah. So this is our jump. Ready? I'm gonna jump first, and then Sammy's gonna come save me if I fall. Okay.
All right.
So she doesn't have to jump.
I'm gonna film
if
you.
like I don't. So
I'll just very carefully get down off this couch.
Okay, but she's gonna have to get back up and jump down to save me, because otherwise, like, there are no effects there. Okay. So here I go. Skydiving.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Erica, let me.
You have to get up there and jump after me. Don't fall, Sammy.
I'm coming. Ah.
Oh no! We're both dying. Help!
Oh god! It hurts.
Okay, we're all better now.
God.
I think I'm gonna get up and save Sammy. Okay? So you guys are gonna watch me. Surfing to the rescue. Oh no, Sammy! Sammy, save me! Oh,
okay, I'll save you. I'm gonna save you.
Oh my gosh!
Here I come, Erica.
You saved me! You saved me! Oh, but you're down now. Okay, I am not gonna fall this time, because you know the show has to go on. All right? Okay. Oh my god! Oh, Sammy, let me help you! Oh my god! You're all better now. Oh, give me a hug.
Yes.
Now it's like the risk of a lifetime.
Oh my god. That's not something you see every day, and don't try that at home.
Oh my gosh. Okay,
it's
now
so dangerous.
we're gonna do the twister, okay? I'm gonna spin with the camera in my hands over my head. And then Sammy's going to, like, take it from me and film me spinning. And then, like,
We'll do the opposite.
Exactly, okay? So, get ready for this. Oh my gosh! I'm in a twister! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Sammy, take the camera! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh!
Oh my god, look at it now.
Oh my gosh! Oh, Sammy! Sammy! Oh my god! Look at her! Oh, I'm gonna hold the camera upside down too. Oh my gosh! Oh, she's upside down again! Oh, there she goes! Okay. Oh, she fell.